Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to hide or filter suggested posts on Instagram. If you want your feed to look cleaner and more personalized, you can easily hide or filter suggested posts. First of all, launch Open Instagram application on your smartphone, whether you are using iOS or Android. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you're logged in, scroll through your feed until you find a suggested post. These suggested posts are titled as Suggested for You at the top. Now, tap on the three dots right next to the post at the top right, and then in the pop-up, click on Not Interested. Soon after you do that, this will hide the post and Instagram will show you fewer posts like this in the future. Now, you can go ahead and select the options under Post Hidden. You can ask Instagram to not suggest you post from this particular channel using the certain words, snooze all suggested posts in the feed for 30 days, manage content preference, or report that this post made you uncomfortable. And that's it. Now you've learned how to hide or filter suggested posts on Instagram in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.